Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the coilovers. The weather is still a little bit cold, so I'm not putting on the tires and the coilovers on right now because this is Canada, so you never know when it's going to start snowing. Like last week it was supposed to be all nice and then you see snow everywhere, so you know we're not going to do that for another week to 2 weeks. I'm going to see. I still have to fix up some things on the car, like the front lip. I gotta change the fender liners in the back and, you know, get some new mud flaps. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that before I put on the coilovers and rims, but we'll see, and I'll keep you guys updated. So for today we're just gonna be unboxing the coilovers that I got. I'm gonna show you which ones I got and how they look, so let's get to it. So by looking at the box, you guys know that I got Raceland Coilovers. Heard a lot of mixed reviews on these coilovers. Some people say they're good, some people say they're bad. So I had to combine it and get my own so I can see. Once they're on the car, I'm going to do a review, like an honest review, and then show you guys how they are. So as soon as we open the box, we get these tools. So these are lowering or raising the car, and then we got some tabs here for the dampening adjustment that goes on top. A nice sticker from Raceland. We'll put that in the car after we get the coilovers on. We got instructions, which we'll read later. And now we're gonna get to the opening the boxes. So I believe they come in 4 smaller boxes, one here. So let's open the first one. So I guess these are the rear ones because the spring is just right on top. Or it could be wrong. Oh yeah, these are the rear ones. So there's the spring. Nice. And then there's the actual strut. These are pretty cool. Not gonna mess with it right now, and I already did, but not gonna mess with it even more. So that's what it is. So that's the rear one. Let's open one of the front ones. So these are the this goes on the spring somewhere. We'll figure that out later on. Yeah, I guess that's how it's gonna be in the rear. So we'll see when we get them on. So that's one box, and I'll show you one of the front ones. So the ones that I got are the Raceland Primos, whatever you want to call them. These were $5.30 US. So turned that into Canadian with everything: duties, taxes, shipping, handling, and the cost of the coilovers. In Canadian price, it costed me $1,000 on the dot. So that's the rear one again. I already showed you guys, so we don't need to see that. Let's get the top one, the front ones now. So stoked on putting these on with the Rotiform rims, wheels. They're gonna look sick. So this is the front one. This is my first time looking at a coilover in person, so I'm kind of stoked. It's you can probably see. So these are the front ones, and then this is the rear one. Show you guys right here, front, rear. So another thing that the Raceland Coilovers doesn't come with is like the upper mounts and the rear mounts. So that's what this little box is for. Shout out to SBMZ3 on Instagram. He helped me a lot because he's on Raceland Coilovers as well, and then I contacted him. I'll put his Instagram right here. And he helped me a lot, and he's the one who told me that they don't come with the upper mounts, so either you can get the aftermarket ones with Raceland or you can use the stock ones. Just gotta tweak them, I think, but I don't want to use the stock ones because they've been on it forever, so I wanted to get everything new, so I ordered these. These were $69 US, so you know, all in all, everything costed me, as I said before, $1,000. So let's open these and I'll show you guys what's inside. So as soon as we open the box, we got some nuts and bolts. So we'll save that for later. That's just packaging, nothing in there. So it's a box in a box. Box in a box. Boxception, we can call it. And then there we go. So front mounts, and then these are the rear mounts. Yeah. Smells fresh in here. So we got the bolts, and that's the rear mount. So front mount and rear mount. So that's what it is, and the unboxing is done. So let's not lose these because we need those afterwards. And so now you guys know how they look. They're the Primo ones, Primo, whatever you guys want to call them, and they look pretty cool, blue and white on a red car. It'll look good, I guess. So that's it, guys. And I know in the last video I said I was going to test fit the tires, but it's been so cold that I didn't get a chance. It shouldn't be an excuse, but I'm a little lazy as well. And I've been working a lot because we're short-staffed at work, and I do have a full-time job, so I've been working around like 50 hours per week. So yeah, that's what it is. But as soon as summer comes, weather gets better, we're gonna have a lot of fun with the car, you know, getting it lowered and putting out the new rims, and then we'll go to the car meets and see how people like it. But you guys let me know how you like the coilovers, if you have any suggestions or anything down in the comments. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.